Okay, so it's Friday afternoon after work. We're gonna go to Heuningberg, which is a registered strip of late. It's about a 30-minute flight. And of course the plan is to go camping. So let's see. We're flying from, I think, a registered strip to another registered strip. It's kind of what we're allowed to do lately because of the regulations. We'll chat a bit about that in the air and I'll check you later. Then we get some fuel in. And Tian made this pretty cool tool. It's 3D printed. And there you go, locked. One traffic, Echo Mike Yankee rounding up and taking off 05 following Foxtrot Yankee Juliet. Let's get the show on the road. Okay, full power set. There's a regulation that's been out for the last 6 months or so, and people are freaking out about it. Rightfully so. For the CAA has kind of slipped the regulation in. So what this new regulation means for pilots in South Africa is we are not allowed to land at an unregistered strip. So what that means is we can only fly from a registered strip to a registered strip or a licensed aerodrome to a registered strip and vice versa, which means if there's a perfectly super nice runway there, it's not registered, we are not allowed to land there unless it's an emergency. Which, I mean, everyone's up in arms about it because it's difficult. How do they control it? How do we control it? How many people actually use unregistered strips? I mean, I know we used to all the time. We can't anymore, so what we're doing is we're flying from registered licensed strips to registered airfield to go and camp for the weekend. And it was an unregistered strip and they just registered it lately because they had a fly-in that was going to happen there, and the people called the fly-in off because of this regulation. Same runway, nothing's changed, it's just a piece of paper right now. So, I mean, like, it's a freaking tricky one. Like, what do we do? You know, I think the aviation fraternity needs to come together and do it. Look, to be honest, we're pretty blessed to be able to go on a Friday afternoon after work and cruise 30 minutes to go camping. We're super lucky to be able to do that. Don't get me wrong, it could be worse. What the implications is for someone who has a strip and that's registered is if a pilot does have an accident, it almost implies that the landowner is like responsible for it. You know? And I know my insurance is null and void if I landed an unregistered strip, which also sucks because
traffic in the Dimmerskraal area, Bravo Romeo Victor is a white bush baby, now passing 3 miles northwest of your airfield, 1,200 foot, and routing Porterville, Bravo Romeo Victor.
Okay, so we're about 4 miles out of Hindenburg, and there's this massive peak here on the mountain. It is covered in snow. So I think we're going to get a little cold tonight, as we thought. It's probably the first snow of this winter. My GPS is reading 12 degrees, and I'm at 500 foot. Okay, so Jean's landing first, I'm landing second. I'll probably just land deep. Doesn't look like there's any wind. We've done any low-level inspection, Trevor's landed. So it should feel good. It's a super nice runway. Echo Mike Yankee turning final, getting back, full stop. Okay, so we've arrived at Heuningberg and we just need to move our planes into where we're going to be camping tonight because we've got a bit of a wind, but it is so beautiful out here.
but it is definitely cold. Okay, so it's around 7:30 this morning. We did get a bit cold last night, but we're off to go and fly, wait for the tents to dry up. Obviously they're a bit wet with everything, and then we're gonna pack up.
Okay, so what I was actually wanting to say is that we wanted to fly the river. The river's fogged in. We're gonna go and find something else to do quickly whilst our tents dry, because they are obviously wet and it's winter and they'll be wet.
I'm turning base to finals now, number 2.
Okay, so we packed up at around 10:30 this side. It's about a 40-minute flight. We're gonna go the long way around home. We might get down in there. Thanks for joining us. I'm coming up to Cape Wineland. We're pretty close. We're about 5 miles out, so I need to do a radio call and then that's it. Then it's landing time. Check on my Yankee turning final 05. Okay, I'm going to step it in.
Foxtrot Yankee Juliet, turning left downwind, 05.
Okay.